never ridden a bike before and you're not a child, but you really do want to get into it, we've got the industry back campaign, which is Get On, where you can go behind the screen and have a private one-to-one lesson on how to take that first step into motorcycling.
Yeah, you start from the basic controls, orientation to first gear, possibly even second gear, up and down corners. So you really get a good feel of how to ride a motorcycle. And most students within 20 to 30 minutes are coming off grinning ear to ear, having really loved the experience.